In today's video, I'll show you how you can schedule Instagram posts on PC. So let's get started. So first of all is that you want to go into Google and type in Meta Business Suite and go into the first link right here from Facebook. Once you're here in your Meta Business Suite, you want to log in first to the Meta Business Suite that is connected to the Instagram account that you would want to post or schedule a post in Instagram. So make sure that it's connected here to your Meta Business Suite. And now, once you're sure of that, you want to click on Create Post Next. And now, in here, you just simply need to select your Instagram in here. This is very important. So in my case, I would need to connect my Instagram first. So I'm just going to click here on Connect, log into Instagram, click on Continue, and then click on Login here. And then from here, we just need to complete this on-screen process. And now it's currently loading, so we just have to wait for that. And here it is. As you can see, it says Instagram connected. So now I'm just going to click on Done, and then I should now be able to select it right here. So yeah, I'm just going to go and select Instagram, but I could also select both depending on what is needed. But in my case, I'll just go for Instagram. Now you can upload a media in here. So you can click on add photo or video. For example, I'm just going to upload this, for example. And then after that, you can add some text. Let's say sample text. You can also add emojis, hashtag, your location if you don't want to, but what we want here is the scheduling option. So just enable this, and now you can schedule the post by selecting the date right here, and then the time that you'd want this to be posted, and then the active times in here if you'd want to. So yeah, this is where you can set up your scheduling options. So now once you're satisfied with the date and time, now you can click here on schedule. And here it is. As you can see, it says that you have now scheduled a post through Meta Business Suite, and it will now be uploaded on your Instagram because that is what we have created, as you can see right here. So yeah, that's it on how you can do this. I hope this video has helped you out. Thank you for watching.